Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will see debugging in Python. You should be know what is the meaning of debugging. Debugging simply means you have to find out errors in your program. Okay, suppose you get any error in particular line of that program, then program will not execute further. Program will stop on that line. Okay, so how to perform this concept in Python? Let's see. To find out error in a program, we use debugging. While developing an application or exploring some feature of language, one might need to debug the code anytime. Okay, therefore having an idea of debugging the code is quite necessary. So there is a need of debugging, because if you get any error or logical error or any kind of error, then there is a need to implement debugging. So how will you implement debugging concept in Python? Debugger finds the bugs in the code line by line where we add the breakpoint. It simply means, suppose if there is any error in particular statement or line, then your debugger in Python there is a inbuilt debugger. So debugger will find the error line by line. If there is any error, then on that particular line, the program will not execute after that line. Okay. If bug is found, then program stop temporary. Program will stop temporary. Then you can remove the error and start to execute the code again. So after finding error, you have to remove that error and you can further execute. So there are two ways. First is breakpoint and second is import pdb. Breakpoint is a function and import pdb is a module. By using breakpoint you can also trace the error, and by using pdb module you can also trace the error. We will understand the concept of debugging with the help of this example. Example number 1. Here is the example number 1. We have taken diff debugger ab. Here is the function debugger and it has two arguments a and b, and we are going to call function breakpoint. Okay, suppose you are going to divide result a divided by b, but right now you don't know the value of a and b. So after execution it will return the result. Okay, but firstly you have to call this function. Here we are calling the function. First value is 5, second is 0. A means 5, b means 0. Simply means 5 divided by 0. So from this point the function will execute. Second point breakpoint will execute. Now third result a and b, you are going to divide 5 divided by 0, but when you divide 5 by 0 it simply means you will get infinity. So there is a logical error. So after this line program will not execute, because breakpoint will trace the error in line number 3. So you have to remove this error. After removing you can press C and the program will execute further. Okay, in this way we can trace the error. Second thing, we have module. So again we will write the function diff debugger. Now right now we are seeing the example of import pdb module, how you can use. We are taking a function debugger, and again there are two arguments a and b. Here we are importing module pdb and we are calling the function pdb set trace. Okay, if we get any kind of error, again the program will stop on that line. Here we are calling result a divided by b and return result. After executing the function will return the result value. Now you are calling the function debugger 5 and 0. 5 is the first argument, 0 is second. So 5, a value is 5, b value is 0. Import pdb will import the module, and here the function will call, and as 5 divided by 0, again you will get infinity. So here is the logical error. Again the program will stop on this line and you have to remove the error. Okay, after removing error you can press C and you can execute further. So in both the example you have seen that if there is any error in program, then program will stop on that particular line. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of debugging in Python. If you have any doubt you can write into comment box. So thank you for watching.